Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.
For value